G'day folks, it's Antonio here. This is Chino, Bennett's behind the camera, and together we are Antonio Travels. And in this episode we are in one of my favourite spots, Rapid Bay. Check out this spot that we've scored.
When it's cold outside, let me keep you warm. Baby, bring your body close to me. We'll be heating up when we're making love. Baby, that's how it's supposed to be. Cause darling, you got my temperature rising. You got me burning up. And I never felt nothing like it. Girl, you remind me of summer nights. Girl, you got me feeling alright. Oh baby, summer nights. Make it for the rest of our lives. Oh baby, summer nights. Summer nights.
What a beautiful day it is today.
I know, it's gorgeous.
It's absolutely stunning. Now we are heading over to the cave, which is just around this little rocky outcrop, and there's a nice little private secluded beach.
And in this bag, cheese and crackers.
Crackers, there you go.
And Chino's treat.
And treats for Chino. That's the only thing we've got to worry about, is little Chino's got to go across the rocks as well. This is the rock we've got to scramble across. Pretty cool spot.
Beautiful. And the water's so refreshing as well.
Yeah.
Already been in it. I can't put my whole body in there. It's a little bit too cold. Off you go, Antonio. How beautiful is this? This beautiful secret cave. You know, that's my towel. You gonna go in? You gonna go in with Daddy? Off you go. Where is he? Come on. Run, 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 run. There you go, Antonio.
Go.
Antonio?
Oh, to Gino, not to me.
I think you want to sip in it.
Oh well.
Oh well. We're all family, aren't we?
Alright, so that was a bit of fun. We are now heading back to the caravan, and I think we're going to get out the paddleboard and have a bit of fun in the water with the paddleboard.
When I need a little piece of paradise, pick me up, put me on the silver line. All I gotta do is close my eyes and slip into an elevated state of mind. Everywhere I go, there's an ocean breeze, sand between my toes. Let me set the scene. Sun is out every day. Now that I'm in my happy place, everything's a-okay. Now that I'm in my happy place. Now that I'm in my happy place. Now that I'm in my happy place. Got a one-way ticket on a carpet ride, with a castle on a cloud floating off in the sky. Pack a little bag to leave the worries behind. All you need here is a smile. Sun is out every day. Now that I'm in my happy place. Everything's a-okay. Now that I'm in my happy place. I see everybody smiling. Got my hands held out like I might start flying. I see the whole world shining for miles.
Boy, Gino, good boy.
I see everybody smiling.
Good boy. Good boy.
Alright, time for a quick shower before we head off to our next spot. But if you do like this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe, and join us for our next one as we explore Australia.
Happy place. Now that I'm in my happy place. Now that I'm in my happy place. Now that I'm in my happy place.